Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to work with PVC pipes. See this PVC pipe here? This is 3/4 inch diameter PVC used for drain lines, water drain lines, like the drain line from the AC, draining the water away from the AC. This one here says it's 200 psi PVC. It says 3/4 inch. Okay. So first of all, this piece here is very cheap. It's about $1.50 for 10 feet. Now I had to cut it. Okay, I had to cut it so that I could bring it in my car. But I will show you how to cut PVC. First of all, PVC, you can buy PVC cutters that cost about $12, but you don't need that. You can use this saw. It's for cutting wood. Let's suppose I want to cut it here. It says at this point. So you say you mark it, and then you okay, so this one has been cut now, okay? Now I'll show you that how to join it. Let's suppose I want to join this and this together, okay? So what we do is, for joining, I have two kinds of things. One is this purple primer. The primer is, some people don't use it, but what primer does, it makes the surface rough, okay? So this primer here, I'm going to put and then we have a joiner here. So this is going to go inside this. So I'm going to put the primer here, okay? And then I'm going to put the primer on both sides. Then this one is a cement, okay, PVC cement. It says it's a heavy duty clear PVC cement. So I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to put it on top of this. And then this one here, so this piece here is going to go into this. And then on this side, we put the cement. And this one, I'm going to put the cement on top. Then I'm going to insert this inside. Okay. Now this one, you let it set for about a minute. or 2 minutes, and it will be set. Okay, so this one, this has been joined together, these two. Okay, another method of joining two pipes is to use this device here. See this one here is called compression fitting. See compression, see it comes with a washer kind of thing, rubber washer, and this piece. So let's suppose I want to join this piece with this piece here. So what I will do is I will put the this one here. See this one here, I will put it, now first of all, this will go like this. This will go like this. Then this one will go like this. And then this one comes like this, okay? And then this one, this piece here goes like this. And then this one you screw it in. And then this one here again, let's suppose I want to join on this side. So I take this one here. This side here goes like this, and then you put the washer. And this one comes like this, and then this one here goes like this. So this is how you join it. And now, why do we use compression fitting? The compression fitting, the benefit of compression fitting is that I can open it. I can open this end and that end, and I can clean it and put it back. Whereas this one, the one we did here before with the cement, is hard to, once it hardens, it's hard to take it out. Once it hardens, the only way to undo it is to cut it. You have to cut here and then cut here, and then use another coupler to again cement it. Okay, this one is cement, it's hard to remove. This one is compression fitting. It's easy to open. Like I can just open it like this. See, I can open it like this, and it opens. I can open this one here like this. See, it opens. Now this one here, I can take it out. See, this is, and I can clean it. And if this was leaking, for example, then I just have to put the new washer, and then that's it. So this is compression fitting. Now, regarding the joiner, see this joiner here? This is 3/4 inch joiner, okay? And this one is also 3/4 inch joiner. See, now this one I can just join it here like this. See how I join it? And then on the other side, I can put this. See, I can put here PVC. So this is 90-degree joiner to join 90-degree. And you can also buy this kind of joiner where you join here like this. And then on this side, you can join another pipe like this. You can join like this. And then this one, and then this is output. So either you can block it, or you may have liquid coming from here, both sides, and this one going out. So this is like a T kind of a joint or coupling, okay? And so there's all kinds of couplings are available. So this is T kind, this is 90 degree, and also it's important to know that this is 3/4. We were working on 3/4 inch diameter PVC. This is 1 inch by 2 feet. See, this one you could buy from Home Depot, 1 inch diameter. They also have 1.5 inch diameter, 2 inch diameter, 1/2 inch diameter, depending on your need. They also have 3 inch diameter, 4 inch, 5 inch diameter. So PVC is used. The beauty of PVC is that it does not rust, it does not corrode with water, and but it on very high temperature it will melt, very high temperature. Whereas if you use copper pipes, they can stand even very high temperature. But the copper is expensive. This one is very cheap. See this one here, I told you 10 feet PVC, it only cost me about $1.50, okay? And so now they also have something called CPVC, which is an advanced form of PVC. And so PVC is different than plastic. You can also get plastic, but PVC is different than plastic. It's more durable, better quality than plastic. So I think I have told you everything I wanted to say today. And please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video and spread the word by sharing this video with your friends. Thank you very much. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below. And you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.